Welcome to the video, my friends. We are here and it's Sunday fun day. So we are going to be going to the beach today and later getting a workout. So welcome to the day. Here we go.
Once again.
David's about to get his hair cut and I am going to clean out the car. It's definitely very dirty right now, especially with this little pup. And whenever we take her to the dog beach, it gets extremely sandy in here. So we gotta keep up the cleaning. So I believe we're gonna go to Ocean Beach today. So this little doggy can go to the dog beach. Later on, I think I'm gonna do a workout. So it's leg day and probably gonna focus on booty. So excited for it. Other than that, it's a very hot day. I feel like I'm melting right now. And this one's very anxious because their dad is in the store right now, so it's okay. Alright, currently out here cleaning my car and I just sweated through my entire shirt. Thank you. Happy. What are you trying to do? Trying to escape?
Three, two, one, and go.
How's your juice cleanse going?
Juice cleanse? My fasting?
Fasting, yeah. Where? David's on a juice fast.
Once again.
Well, there goes my fries. Someone came over and kicked sand into them.
The next day.
Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I just got wrapped up with my workout at the gym. I did a booty workout, which actually felt great to get a workout in. I had planned on doing it last night, but something kind of crazy ended up happening. So after we got back from the beach, we were just relaxing, and David and I wanted to ride around some electric scooters. They're called Birds. They're really popular here in San Diego. We do them all the time. They're super fun. But we just wanted to grab some birds and ride around the neighborhood that we live in while the sun set. And when the sun was going down and starting to get darker, we decided to come back home. And we were crossing the street. It's like a six lane street that we have by our house, and it was well lit, and we were crossing. I decided to go ahead of David, and I was going about 10 miles per hour, and somebody actually hit me with their car. Sorry, got a little intense because I still can't believe that it happened. But yeah, so he was turning left and I was crossing the street. I was about halfway, and I didn't see him coming. I think I saw him out of the corner of my eye, and he wasn't going super fast, but I heard David yell behind me saying like, "Danielle, watch out." And by the time I looked over, he was like almost to me, and honestly, he just missed me. I am so blessed and lucky that I literally walked away with not even a scratch. As he was like about to hit me, I kind of threw the bird towards the car and like jolted myself to the ground. So the bird like hit my leg, and that kind of hurt a little bit, and I got like a little bit of a concrete burn on my hand, but that's literally it. And he got out of the car, and he was upset. I know he didn't mean to do it. It was a terrible mistake on his end, but he had a baby in the car too, and I was just in complete shock. And I don't know, I just told him like, you know, you got to be careful, but honestly, I know that accidents happen, and I forgave him right away, and I was like, it's okay, like I'm fine, I didn't get hurt at all. And he was like, you know, really nervous and said like, I've never hit anybody, and you want my information? And I honestly didn't get hurt at all, so I didn't grab his information. I don't know if that was the wrong thing to do, but what do you guys think? If you were hit by a car and you didn't get hurt at all, and none of your property got damaged, would you grab his information? I don't know if I should have or not, but I just told him like to be careful and that I wasn't hurt. So anyways, I'm gonna wrap up the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.